A couple of months ago, we decided to stop using traditional liquid detergent and decided to give a try to these laundry detergent Power Sheets. We've been very impressed. Takes up little to no space. Your footprint is much smaller when you're using these as opposed to having the big 1, 2, 3, 4 gallon jugs you're toting around. This is the box that you're dealing with here. And this right here provides you with 35 sheets. And I'm almost out here, but I'll show you. Each sheet looks like this, and each sheet has a line down the middle where you can tear it. So say you're doing a small load and you don't need a full sheet, you can use a half sheet and it works just fine. A lot of the smaller loads we do, we'll just use a half sheet. But I do use a full sheet if I'm doing a bigger load. Literally just set it in the machine. I have a top loading machine, so I put it in there, put the clothes on top, turn it on. I usually do a pre-soak, just because of the fact I want that to get nice and wet and be able to make its way throughout the machine and to get all of the clothes clean. But the scent we're using here is Fresh Breeze. I think they do have a couple of other ones. This is one we've been using this for a couple months now, and we really like it. Clothes come out smelling great. It does clean. It will, I'm not going to say it's got amazing stain removing powers, but it will make your clothes and your towels and your blankets, definitely gets them clean. So if you're looking to try something that's going to get rid of the big plastic bottles and jugs that you're toting around in your house for laundry, give these Power Sheets a try. These are great. Arm & Hammer did a really good job, and we highly recommend these.